Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2014 through 2022 and possibly beyond Mitsubishi Outlander with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo load bar set of 2, offered in silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal brackets, and then 4 of these fasteners. So these rubber bases and brackets have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet, which is included with the fit kit. And that all helps to guide in the proper assembly onto the feet. So let me go ahead and show with one of these feet. I'll just first start with removing the outer cover. Within the foot, you can see we have a threaded post there. So these components of the fit kit not only have numbers that are associated to them, but they also have letters. So starting with the first letter A, which is the first part of the fit kit to be installed, you have the number A just sets down within the foot there. And then letter B is the base pad, and that has the B molded into it there. That just presses against the underside of the foot. And then letter C is the outer part of the bracket, which just hinges onto the first bracket, and then use that fastener to hold all those parts together. So that just threads right on. Now, when it's time to install this onto the load bar, let's go ahead and grab the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. Here we have a sample that we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is this dedicated track that runs along the top of the bar. It's accessed by opening the end cap, and you can slide in certain mounting hardware directly in between these two pieces of rubber without actually cutting the rubber. That allows for a very clean, integrated method of attachment of certain approved carriers directly to the top of the bar. Now, when we install the foot onto the bar, let's take that end cap off. And here we have a slot. Within the slot, we have this measuring device. Now, the actual measurements aren't necessarily used for this install, so we'll just slide that down out of the way temporarily. And then we can go ahead and slide the foot into that top slot. And then it's important to go ahead and put the end cap on to prevent the foot from sliding off the end of the bar when you're maneuvering this around the vehicle. So when it's time to install this onto the side rail, you would self-center the bars, set the foot and the rubber directly on the side rail, and self-center the bars. And then at that point, you can begin tightening the fastener using the tool that's provided. And you would tighten on one side about 50%, and then go to the opposite side and tighten it the remaining 50% until this tool with the black handle will click, indicating it's been fully tightened, and it's tightened to the full 4 Newton meters. And you'll feel and hear that click once it finally gets to that full tightness. And there we have it. Okay, so next you would put the cover back into place. That just holds on with a snap. And then you do have this plastic plug. Give that a quarter turn and that'll hold that cover into place. Although you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal Thule lock cylinder. These cylinders are sold in matched sets, so a 4-pack will lock all 4 of your feet to the vehicle. However, you can buy these in a 6-pack or an 8-pack and get other accessories all key matched for the convenience of one key operation. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2014 through 2022 and possibly beyond Mitsubishi Outlander with factory installed flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Please like and subscribe. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos that may be of interest to you on our channel. Also, if you have any questions about this system, feel free to leave those in the comments below. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.